Ka office jong ke Department of Sports and Youth Affairs menta ka sngi ka apkhna terek unailar kala pelong ya ka program ban rakhi ya ka National Sports Day bat kumjuru ban kamau e yo Major Dayanchan Nongialehkai hoki ba banana jonggari India ha ka ne ka program lawan banyak don lang lingkat da uba dipi walang Chief Secretary ka Sorkar Jylla kumukong san ikong Matsudor Warlongbri IAS Secretary kong 1 Rillion Boot IAS Director Sports and Youth Affairs ba Swat Vice President ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association US Avasti IAS Under Secretary Sports and Youth Affairs.
We saw something very spectacular, and that was the victory of India over Pakistan in the Asia Cup in Dubai. A beautiful way to welcome our sports day, and I would like to congratulate the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs for organizing this day, and also to recognize the efforts of all the sports persons of the state. They have given their time, they have invested their energy towards their passion, towards their love in sports, and after achieving at various levels, international, national, regional, I'm happy that today the government is recognizing their achievements and giving them cash awards. I was just having a look at peek at the envelopes, and I was very impressed that the amount also is a very honorable and handsome amount. So you'll all be very happy, I'm sure, and you'll carry on, you'll work harder. Remember that success is never final and failure is never fatal. Therefore, work hard, work for more, and understand that this is just one stepping stone.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.